Okay, today we are going to talk about skeletal system. So what is skeletal system? So actually, skeletal system consists of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and also muscle tendons. So what is bones? This is bone. Okay, so what is uh, cartilage? This is the white part here, which is on top of the bones. So what is ligament? Ligament is the things connect the bones to bones. You can see here. This is your knee joint, and the ligament is here. Okay, lastly, which is muscle tendons. Muscle tendon is the part to connect bones and the muscle. So the white part here is muscle tendons. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the structure of the skeletal system. First of all, you have two types of bones. The first one is axial skeleton, which is the meaning of your core body. Okay, including the skull, the vertebral column, and also the thoracic cage. The second part is the appendicular skeleton, which is about the bones of your limbs. That means your hand and your neck, and then also including the girdles of the attachment. This is the part of girdle. Okay, so the lumbers inside the brackets, which is the lumber of the bones. That means you have 80 bones for your axial skeleton and 126 for your appendicular skeleton. That means total you have 206 bones in your body. So the next part is about the functions of the skeletal system. There are 5 functions. So the first one, the bones is to support your body, withstand the force of the gravity. The second one is about the movement, because once your muscle contract, then it can lift your bones and create a movement. And then the third one is for protection, which is used for protect your internal organs. For example, inside your thoracic cage, you can find your heart, you can find your lung. So the bones is to protect any damage to the organ. The next one, which is mineral storage, because the bones is formed by the calcium and some minerals here. So this is a storage about mineral storage. The last one, which is for the production. Inside the bones, you can find some red bone marrow here. So the red bone marrow is to produce red blood cells, white blood cells, and also the blood platelet. So the next part is about the joints. Okay, this is a quite important part here, because the joints can affecting your movement. So there are 3 joints here. The first one, the fibrous joint. The second one, which is cartilaginous joint, and then the last one, which is the synovial joint. Okay, you can separate them because according to their range of movement. So for fibrous, which is no movement is allowed, just like your scalp. And then the most important one, which is the synovial joints, which allow many different type of movement here. So you can see 4 different type of joints here. And the direction and the range of the movement are here. Okay, so which one can can allow you to have the greatest movement? The one which is ball and socket joints. These joints you can find at the shoulder there. This is your shoulder joints. Okay, you have to pay attention about these 4 type of synovial joint. So actually, this is the end of the skeletal system.